Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Right, what we got today? Today we've got something quite different actually. We've got a Vauxhall Combo van, and what we're doing the side windows on this. So we've got two side doors, both the doors they open up. We're going on a 20% there and on the other side, and we are doing the rear windscreen as well. This particular one, this opens up all the way, so yeah, we're going with a 20 on this one as well. So hopefully it should be okay. Only thing we're going to have to do is just cut around these sides over here when we do the install. Apart from that, it hopefully should be a straightforward install, and the same with the rear as well. I do say that, and then sometimes I do end up regretting my words, but we'll see how this gets on. I'll let you know at the end of the video. So what I'll be doing, I'll set you all up on the tripod. I'll give all the three windows a clean as usual, and then I'll make a start on the sides before I move on to the rear. I'll probably prep this up whilst I'm doing the two side ones, so this can all dry up with the dryer sheet. Then I'll just come and shrink the back one. But yeah, if you do like this one, do give it a thumbs up, do subscribe, and do check out all the other videos that I've been posting on the channel as well. So in the meantime, I'll set you all up and enjoy the video. Alright everyone, if you've got to this part of the video, I've just finished the Vauxhall Combo. We've done the two side windows and the back in 20%. As you can see, it's looking very nice. This one has turned out pretty good, so hopefully the customer's going to be happy with that. So there was this door, we did have to just obviously cut around all these, they were a bit intricate. Apart from that, the finish has turned out pretty nice. The rear has also turned out pretty nice as well, as usual. But yeah, that's a 20 on the rear, so it does give it a nice bit of privacy. I know it looks a bit brighter on the camera, or a bit more clearer, but it is quite dark when you're actually here in person. And that's the other side. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. That's turned out good. Hopefully the customer's going to be on his way very, very shortly, and he'll be happy with that. So yeah, if you do like that one, do give that a thumbs up. Check out all our other videos, and yeah, do subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I'll see you in a few weeks or a few days when I post the next one. So take care, thanks for watching, and see you all soon.